Today we're going to IKEA. So the first section is the showroom. So here we're just looking around, checking out some ideas since we already have a theme in mind, which is a wood and white. It's like Bali style with Scandinavian touch of it. So it's like gonna be light, fresh, and clean. After a while, we decided to take a break and grab a bite, so we just park our cart here in their parking area. It's like a cafeteria experience where you have to queue, and then every station you will get like utensils, the tissue, and then you will get the dessert first, and then eventually the meatballs, and then you will pay the cashier. So it's time. Sadly, there's no lingonberry, but we're gonna try the famous Swedish meatball. This meatball is kind of the same meatball that your mom used to put for the macaroni. Resuming the IKEA shopping reminds me of Bali so much, and also Philippines of course, but there's just so many of these things in Bali. Did it! Ah! So tall! Okay, let's give it a try to the TV stand. Oh, that's perfect.
Nice.
That looks nice. Yep.
We'll have PlayStation here. And then maybe one more?
Yeah. Two?
Two.
Alright.
How many?
This one, just one of these. And then this one, depending on how many you want to put inside.
Can you see here? Is where to find it in the storage. This is which
Section?
section, and this is which part of the section.
Going to the storage space where the notes are indicated. So those are the numbers. Now we have to look for the section. Now we found our stuff, we pick it up. Now off to the another item. We're gonna go now and pay. Wood, bamboo, green, because our room is white. It's already punched. Now it's just for the payment. There. Let's go now. We're now done for today, and we're gonna go back home. So we just got home, and now we just bring our stuff that we bought from IKEA. We're now building the TV stand in here again. Then another shelf there. So we're done with the TV stand. This one. Fix it up with some IKEA storage once again. And now we're building the bookshelf.